training video, we created a new section or folder for the Center for Awesome. Now let's click the name to open the folder, and then we can add some content to it. By going over to the Content tab, scrolling down you can see that there's no content so far in this folder. So let's add some by clicking the green Create Content button. First, TerminalFour will load a list of all the content types that are available to you to use in your section. As you can see, there's quite a few different content types that are available. By clicking into the filter field, we can search for the content type that we'd like to use. In this case, Primary Content Zone A. Click the name of the content type to add a content item to your section. Then start by giving your content item a name. Names of content items typically don't appear on the page as a heading. It should just be informative for you and other content editors to know what's in this content item and where does it go on the page. Now we can start adding text to our page here in the text editor. Often you might have content that you'd like to paste into TerminalFour from an outside source, like a Word document. So I will copy all of this text, but before pasting it in, I want to talk briefly about something very important. Every content type has text formatting or styling built into the template, and we don't want the formatting from the source, in this case Word, to fight with the formatting that's built into the template. So before we hit paste, we're going to turn on the Paste This Text option, which you will find in the text editor under the Edit menu. Now when we hit Control V or Command V for you Mac users and paste in our text, it will be the text only and none of the source formatting. Then we can use the text editor to add in built-in styles. Under Format, Formats, Headings, we can add a heading 2. We can also use the icons here in the text editor to add a bulleted list, though I'll fix some spacing issues here. As I continue making some edits here in the content, I'll just say it's very important whenever possible to use the built-in styles in the text editor, and that way all of the text across the Seattle University website has a consistent look and feel. Also, using lots of headings and bulleted lists makes it really easy to help your users skim and find exactly what they're looking for on your page. Now that we've got our text formatted, let's hit Save Changes to save our content as pending.